Ready to supercharge your cashback? If you've been looking at the Rogers Bank credit cards, you might have seen a few different numbers floating around. 3% here, 2% there. It can get confusing fast. So, what's the real deal with Rogers Bank's cashback rates? Let's break it down. Rogers Bank has a few cards, but the main ones we'll talk about are the Rogers Red MasterCard and the World Elite MasterCard. Both have no annual fee, which is a big plus. The cashback structure, however, has some interesting layers. The base rate for the standard Rogers Red MasterCard is a flat 1% cashback on all eligible purchases, with a 2% rate on US dollar transactions. But here's where it gets interesting. If you're a Rogers, Fido, or Shaw customer with an eligible service, your rate on non-US purchases jumps up to 2%. That's a significant boost for everyday spending, and it's a huge reason why these cards are so popular. Now, let's talk about the World Elite MasterCard. This card is even better for Rogers customers, offering 3% back on US dollar purchases and a solid 2% on all other eligible spending. If you're not a Rogers customer, the non-US dollar rate is 1.5%. But wait, there's a secret level to this whole thing. It's the Rogers Redemption Bonus. When you use your earned cashback to pay for your Rogers, Fido, or Shaw bill, you get a 1.5x bonus. This is how you unlock that much talked about 3% value. For example, if you earn $100 in cashback, you can redeem it for $150 to pay off your Rogers bill. It's a fantastic way to make your rewards go even further. So, to summarize, the base rate is a decent 1%, but as a Rogers customer, you're looking at 2% on the Red MasterCard and the World Elite. And if you redeem that cashback for your phone or internet bill, that 2% effectively becomes 3%. It's a system designed to reward customer loyalty, and it can be a great way to offset some of those monthly expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.